Hey guys, I got a quick tutorial for you. This is for if you have an Etsy shop or you're thinking about it. Just give you a quick tutorial on how to edit your shop and how the listings show up. I like my listings to be all in order and nice and neat. So first you have these 4 featured listings. If you go over to the corner and click on that little edit, the little pencil, and you can change the layout. See these little options. I don't want to do anything to that, but I want to change. I'm going to take one of these off. So you just exit and then search your listings. And so you can see it'll bring up all these different listings. I'm going to do one of the cutout listings and put it on there. So like 4 listings that you really want people to see more than anything. That's what I would suggest, or like 4 of your most popular listings. Definitely put those up there because that's what people are looking for. And so you can see you can move them around to which order they're in. And then click done. And you can go down there and click save when you're happy with that. Now I want to rearrange the items. You see that right there? And then you'll have to click on exit it when you're done. But I like to keep, when people scroll through my pages, I think I have 4 pages. After they go down the featured, I want them to see my custom mums first. And I put them in order of highest price to lowest price. And then I do my pre-made mums and then the custom cutouts and the other handmade items and then like homecoming mum supplies and stuff like that. And then, my lays. So I put everything together. And so this is how you rearrange it. And you just click on that and you can pick the page you want it to go to and it'll take you to that page. And then if you need to move it around on that page, you can do that as well. You can just click on it and move it where you want it. It's very simple, but it took me a long time to figure this out. I didn't know you could do this for a long time. I'm not sure a lot of Etsy shop owners know you can do this or if they even care. But I like mine in order. You see, I'm going from most expensive and then going down from there. So you could do them in order however you wanted to, most popular, however you want to do it. Or, you may not care how it turns out, but I do. I like it to be all nice and neat. And like I said, the different listings, like my custom mums, I want them all together. I want my custom cutouts all together. I want my mum supplies all together. I want my pre-made mums all together, my pre-made braids all together. So this is just the way I do it. You could do it from cheapest to most expensive, however you want to do it. And then I have like random, like the cheat sheets. That's its own little category. And then my t-shirts, that's its own little category too. But after you get it all finished, then you just want to click exit. And I'm going through making sure everything's where I want it. I'm going to move that a little there. I'm going to move it over there, but kind of range where I want it. See how you just click on it and you can just move it wherever you want. There, I'm going to put it right after my homemade or handmade items and then right before the mum supplies. Just make sure I'm happy with where everything is. So when I add new listings, I have to go in and do this again because your newest listings are always going to show up first unless you go through and rearrange them. So you can see my braids and then my cutouts are next. And like I'm trying to keep like my senior cutouts together and stuff like that. When you do move it to another page, it automatically goes to the top of that page, so then you have to move it around. You may not care if you do this or what order they go in, but I like when people, thinking about when people go to my shop and that everything's grouped together. Because that's frustrating to me when I go to somebody's Etsy shop and the listings are all over the place on each page. I know you have sections, but sometimes some people don't even have very many sections, or they'll have hundreds of items in a section, and it's just like it's overwhelming. I just think it's a nicer shopping experience like this. I'm just going to scroll through each page and make sure I'm happy with where everything is. And like my mom rush orders, my mom add-ons, those are all together as well. My wreaths are together, then my wreath forms and supplies and all that. Then just some miscellaneous stuff. So when you're happy, you just go over there and you exit. And then view shop, that'll get you out of the editing mode. And now you will see what people will see when they come to your shop. So there's my featured items, some of my most popular. Actually, I thought I changed it to, sometimes you have to refresh. There it goes. I had to refresh it because I was like, wait a minute, I put the name cut out on there. But you see, everything's all nice and neat now when you scroll through my shop. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Please comment if you want to see any other video tutorials on Etsy. And please be kind with your comments. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Happy mum making. Happy crafting, everyone. God bless.